ফার্স্ট নাম্বার কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, দ্য ড্যাশ ইজ দ্য লার্জেস্ট মাস অফ দ্য স্নো অ্যান্ড আইস অ্যান্ড হাই অল্টিটিউড দ্যাট ইজ দ্য স্লাইড অফ দ্য ডাউন অফ দ্য মাউন্টেন অফ স্লোপ। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, avalanche is the large of much of the snow and ice of the high altitude, the slide of the down of mountain slope. And first number question explain. Avalanche of the refers to the fall or slide in large and mass and material, and especially the snow and down of the mountain side. It occurs to when a cohesive slab and snow laying upon an weakened layer of snow, fracture of slide of the down of step of slope, and also the primary and composed of flowing of the snow and the air. Large and avalanche and have that and capability of internal ice and rock and trees and other substantial material. Next question. 2 number question কি বলছে, dash is the process by which is water and vapor in the air is changed into liquid water. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, condensation. This is the process just water and vapor in the air is changed into liquid water. 2 number question explain. Condensation in the change the physical state of the matter from the gas and phase and the liquid phase. It is the reverse and vaporization, and condensation is initiated by the formation of the atomic molecular cluster in that space within its gaseous volume, the like and raindrop and formation within cloud and in the contact and between the gaseous phase and liquid and solid surface. Next question. 3 number question কি বলছে, the dash gas is the trap of heat in the atmosphere which of the earthworm and causing and global warming. এই চারটি অপশন মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, greenhouse. The gas is the trap of heat in the atmosphere, the earthworm and causing and global warming. 3 number question explain. A greenhouse gas as defined of the any gaseous the compound that is capable in absorbing an infrared of the radiation, thereby trapping and holding up heat in the atmosphere. Many of greenhouse of gases occur in naturally atmosphere such as the carbon dioxide, methane, water and vapor and nitrous oxide that is that other than synthetic, and thus and that is man-made and include and chlorofluorocarbon CFCs, hydrofluorocarbon and HFCs, and perfluorocarbon PFCs, as well as sulfur hexafluoride CSF6. Next question. 4 number question কি বলছে, the summer of solstice and 2019 in the northern hemisphere will be occur on. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, 1st June, the summer of solstice 2019 in the northern hemisphere. 4 number question explain. The summer solstice occur this one is the planet of the geographical pole and either northern and southern hemisphere is the most inclined toward and the star that in orbit depending in the shift of the calendar of the summer solstice occur and sometime between June 20 and June 22 in the northern hemisphere and between December 20 and December 23 each year in southern hemisphere. Next question. 5 number question কি বলছে, which is the type of climate of the best of the suited and for the tea plantation. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, hot and humid. This is the climate of the best and suited for of the tea and plantation. And 5 number question explain. The tropical and hot and humid climate is very much and suitable for the tea plantation. Climately of the tea of the belong and the monsoon of the land and where the high temperature long and growing and the season of the heavy rainfall help in the growth and the tea plant and the warm and the summer of the infrequent of the rains and promote and the rapid leaf and reproduction and increase the number of the annual pickings. Next question. 6 number question কি বলছে, the in which is the atmospheric layer of the earth is ozone layer is found. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, stratosphere. This atmospheric layer of the earth is the ozone layer is the found. Six number question explain the ozone layer in the river to region earth in the stratosphere, and that is the absorb the mass and sun ultraviolet UV radiation. It absorbs in the 97 to 99% of the sun of the medium of the frequency of the ultraviolet light, and from about 200 nanometer to 315 nanometers wavelength, which is otherwise and wouldn't the potentially and damage of the exposed light from the near of the surface. Next question. 7 number question কি বলছে the movement of air is from one is region to the other gates, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, wind the movement of the air from the region the creates. 7 number question explain the movement of the air from the one region of the other creates on the wind, and movement here is caused by the temperature and the pressure and difference and the experience of the is wide. Where of the difference the pressure of the between the two places and pressure of the gradient axis and across the air moves from the high pressure region and the low pressure of region. Next question. 8 number question কি বলছে the during in the night and direction of the wind would be from the চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, land to the sea the during the night and direction of the wind would be from. 8 number question explain the land breeze is the local wind and the system the characterized by the flow from the land and water late in the night. Land and breeze and the alternate with the sea bridges along the coastline and adjacent to larger bodies of the water, both an equidom difference and that is occur between the lighting and pulling and water surface at the adjacent land surface. Next question. 19 number question কি বলছে the by volume the 21% of air is এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, oxygen the by volume of 21% of air. 9 number question explain the by volume the dry air and contain 78.09% nitrogen, 20.95% oxygen, 0.93% argon, 0.01% carbon dioxide. The small of the amount of the other gaseous air also contain of the variable amount of the water and vapor of the average around 1% of sea level and 0.4% over the entire of the atmosphere. Next question. 10 number question কি বলছে which of the following the region of the receive of the rainfall and throughout of the year এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, equatorial which of the following region of the receive of the rainfall of the throughout of the year? 10 number question explain the equatorial region of the receive of the rainfall and shows out of the year of the thus and there is a no dry season. The average annual rainfall exceed 100 semi and 215 semi. Even the driest month of the year of the receive of the rainfall more than 60 semi. This is the because and wind from the two direction northeast and trade wind and southeast trade and winds meet in the near equator inter of the tropical convergence of zone ITCZ and the area of the atmospheric pressure.